Alright, Paul Mutin, some couple new chords anyway. So one thing we talked about is transitioning from the E5/B into this new C major 705. So what you did initially was you went from that, the E5, into the C major 7 while leaving your index finger barred. So instead of doing that, I suggested move your index finger to just the A string. So this way, when you're going between the C major 7 and the B minor 7, you're basically maintaining the same shape with your first and fourth finger. Going between those two, it's just with the C major 7 you get your middle down. For the B minor 7, you have the ring finger down instead. Just makes for an easier transition. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, number 2. Alright, so for this one, the way I strum it, the way it feels most natural to me, I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, whoops, wrong chord. So yeah, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So basically every time you start strumming, starting with a down stroke. Always felt easiest to me to keep it in time and all that. Alright, 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 and 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 done. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 and 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 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. These tabs just keep getting taller and taller. I can't even get the whole thing on here. Goodness. Alright, well, I guess some of the chord names will be chopped off. Oh well. That's the important part here anyway. Alright, so polyrhythm happening on beats 3 and 4. So basically it's like a 3/2 polyrhythm because you have your 3 chords evenly spaced across 2 beats, and me clicking on that part of the tab caused it to shift up and out of frame. There we go. Something like that. Criminally. Just trying to get the whole triplet bracket in there. Alright, well, I guess that's good enough. You got the tab. So yeah, it's just, you got your down, up, down, up, down, up, obviously for the first 2 beats, and then for the polyrhythmic part, it's all going to be down, down, down. And you are maintaining a constant strumming pace this time. So you got your down stroke here, the ghost up strum, and then your downstroke, the ghost up strum, and then the downstroke, ghost up strum. One way that's helped other people understand what's happening for the polyrhythmic part, basically, and you can just practice this on your own, or practice it by itself instead of just playing what's there. So when you end up playing it correct, you end up strumming and tapping your foot at the same time. So you got both at the same time. You come up and then you'll strum, tap your foot, strum. So I'm thinking of it like both strum, tap, strum, both strum, tap, strum. So you can think of it like the rhythm is dut, 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 dut. Let's see, try to do it with my hands here. Even doing something like this could help you understand it even more. So it's going like dut, 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 both, bum, 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 both, dut, dut, dun, dut, dut, dun, dun, dut, dut, dun, dun, dut, dut, dun. And that's what the rhythm is there as far as strumming it plus the tapping your foot. Da, da, gutting, da, da, gutting. So now I'm thinking air drumming at the moment. So hopefully that didn't confuse you and it actually gave you more insight to this thing. I guess we'll find out. And if it does seem confusing, just ignore it. Anyway, let's demonstrate this thing. You can also do what I do. I typically mouth the part of the triplet that's not being played. So I do like the 3, 4, and, 3, 4, and, kind of like that. 3, 4, and. So anyway, I'll just play it and you'll hear and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3, and 1. Okay, hang on. Sorry, it's like I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. My nose is acting funny. I couldn't keep concentrating. What an exciting video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, up and 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 1 and 2, 3, up and 1 and 2 and 3, up and done. 90 beats mad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3, up and 1 and a 2 and a 3, up and 1 and 3, up and 1 and a 2 and a 3, up and 1 and a 2 and a 3, up and 1 and a 2 and a 3, up and 1 and a 2 and a 3, up and 1 and a 2 and a 3, up and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brain fart. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Right. I believe that covers everything. But you know what to do. If you have any questions, ask. All right. See you on Thursday.